Welcome to the Peterbilt 567 factory, where custom heavy-haul trucks are built from scratch. Custom-painted cabins, each with unique airbrush artwork, move through final assembly. Inside this 2-kilometer German factory, robotic guided vehicles transport MAN TGX chassis. A rising platform lifts the powerful 680 horsepower engine into place.
This is where it's bang.
Morning. Ready for the line? Yeah, let's make it a good one. Okay, team, 12 units today. Safety first. Looks good? We'll handle it. Agreed. Let's do it. Ready? Let's go. Stop! Hold it there! Swing it left, slowly. Perfect! Set it down! Aligning the front cross member. Midsection cross member going in now. Rear cross members in place. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Aligning. Pin it. Got it. Pinned. Ready for the first one? Lowering now. Easy. Align the ears. Pins in. Secure. Good. Next one. Good pace, team. Keep it moving. Frame down, aligning now. Lifts up, clamps locking, secure. Thumbs up, moving out. Josh, guide it down steady. Got it. Aligning now. Perfect alignment, seat it. Aligning spring eyes with hangers. Ready? Inserting right shackle pin. Cotter pins next. Secured. Axle is locked. Alternator secure. Starting the belt. Fuel lines are in. Good. Belt's tension. Ready for hoist. Looks good. Tanks are secure. Josh, start the blue line. Copy. Blue line going in now. Good. Keep the clips tight every foot. All lines clipped and secure. Steady down, watch the pins. Alignment looks good, ropes tight.
Looks good. Proceed.
Cab seated, good contact. Packaging's off, installing the valve and TPMS. All set, moving to the machine.
Torque marks all good. Oil level is optimal. Coolant full. Washer fluid full. Light sequence passed. Green tag applied. Vehicle cleared.
J1939 is connected. Priming fuel now. Copy. Voltage is stable. Glow plugs are cycling. Weight light is on. Ready to crank. Valvetrain's quiet. That's a good sign.
Air system's building pressure now.
There, the air dryer's purging. Transmission's shifting smooth through the ranges. All systems go. Thumbs up. Truck's perfect.
Excellent. Marking it complete. Sticker is on. Good work.
Dashboard's clean, moving to windows. Exterior's washed, starting on the chrome. Looks perfect. Stepping back now.